All right, folks, welcome back. Net fishing part 4. We'll bring you along. Hope this video is educational. Yeah, just woke up and well, we'll show you along. We'll bring you along. Just got up. Like we got up earlier, but we were eating and stuff. We got rolling now. There's the boys and. It's it was 34 this morning and it's 27 now, 11:30 now. You can see the smoke coming up. They're cutting wood over there with the chainsaw. Yeah, Jill got his skidoo ready. The boys are going over there too. Well, yeah, we came here yesterday, we set the net, and we're going out to check the nets now. Folks, we'll bring you guys along. Wherever you guys are, we can bring you along. We'll go out on the ice on the lake and we'll bring you guys along. And yeah, net fishing part 4. We'll pull the net and see what we catch today. Stay tuned. All right, we got to the lake. We put a cigarette. We came from that way, from the cabins. We set the net yesterday and we're gonna go check. Come along with us, we'll bring you guys along. Hope this video is educational and yeah, we'll bring you guys along today. We'll head just on the other side of that island. Alright, we'll skidoo down there. Alrighty. Alright, quick little break. Check the equipment and we're off. The fishing club. Alright, we'll get started. Alright, come along with us. Hope it's educational. We're just like bringing you guys along. Here's the look of the lake. Right there. Up to them. Alright, we made it to the fish net. Yeah, net fishing part 4. Roger Suta is topping the ice. We're gonna top this hole, the one in the middle, and we got another one over there. There's Sam, Mike Martel. What's your name again?
Jesse.
Huh?
Jesse.
Jesse and Roger Suta. Yeah, we'll check the net. We'll see. Bring you guys along. We'll see what we catch. Jill. Right there. We're gonna pull the net. We'll bring you guys along. Ready?
The net is free at the other end. The rope's attached to it. We're just gonna pull it back this way.
Good to go.
Not pulling on there.
All right, net fishing part 4. First pull of the net. Oh, 2 fish there. Oh, I'll show you guys as it comes out. There's another one. Haha, lucky, save one. Yeah. Yeah, minus. 27 fish net. Wow, look at that. Big whitey. All right, we got work to do. We're gonna get some fish. Roger. Jill's down there trying to skidoo. Oh, 3. He got 3 off already. Alrighty. Second pull of the net.
2.
Oh, almost. Oh, he's saving them.
Oh, 3. Come on. 4.
Trying to get a good position here.
Woo.
Coming out.
Oh.
Minus 40. Minus 27 and they're coming out. Oh, big prickles. Look at the boys down there.
Oh.
Fishing Club 2026.
Oh, that's a tiny one. Down low. They almost beat the end.
Oh, yeah. We're getting into some fish now, folks. Well, look at this coonie right there. Whitefish. There's another one. They're all over the place. There's a chip pickerel. Some down here. I better work too. Oh, the fishing club. It's coming along. We need a new generator, I think. Sam, look at this pickerel. Here's a nice pickerel. Yummy. Yummy. Haha, it's coming around. Mark's down there. Mike and Roger. Sam, Jill. Yeah. All right, we're gonna pull the net back in. Here's some of the look of the fish. We'll hope you enjoy this video. Hope it's educational, and we'll bring you guys along also. If you can't come fishing, we'll bring you fishing today. And Jill's there. The boys, Mark, Callan is gonna pull the net back. Yeah. And it's going in, folks. Got 2 good sized walleye out of this pull. Yeah, net fishing part 4. Hope you're enjoying the video. Here's a look at the lake. It seems to warm up. It'll go in like that even though. It'll spread out in the water. You just sort of keep that up. The boys are down there. Have a look. Nice sunny day. Look at the lake, Jackfish Point. All the skidoos are nice skidoos here. Coming in. The net's going in. Yeah. Kyle. You saved us all this fish here. It almost fell back in. Kyle saved them. Yeah, first pull of the net. We'll get to the next one. We'll pull it out. We'll bring you guys along. We'll bring you guys fishing with us. All right, I tied on the string. Mark's pulling. First pull of the net. Here's the look of some of the fish. Wait. Jack. Whitefish, pickerel. Yeah. All right. We're gonna pull a little bit and take some off. It's coming along. We're gonna have a good day. We'll have a good day. We'll have a good day. Yeah, let's check over here. Oh, lots of jacks. Oh, you saved another one. They're coming out very close up. Oh, look at all that. This one's a good catch. Yeah. Yeah, we could.
Getting heavy.
Yeah, we got enough. Oh. Whoa, look at that, boys.
Supper, who's cooking?
Whoa, that's a huge. The first big, huge jack. Let's have a look at him. Yeah. That's a huge. Look at his hand. My hand on his head. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I bet we're gonna get to work. We got work. We got work, folks. Yeah, we'll bring you guys along. If you didn't go fishing, you're gone fishing today. All right, second pull of the second net, and we pulled it first one. We got a huge jack here. Look at that, Roger. It's the big one, eh? Yeah. Necha, yeah. To Necha. Yeah, Roger. And the boys. Almost second pull of the net. The fishing club. 2026. Kyle. Oh, we got some fish here, yeah. We got a big one. We're gonna pull, second pull of the net. All right, second pull of the net. Mark's pulling the net. Oh, more fish coming out. There's the big one again. Yeah. We'll show you as it comes out. Whoa. Here, big one. Here, big jack, come out. Pickerel. Sam. Yeah, I'll get you good footage this way. Oh, lots of white jack. Huh? What's that, Mike? Okay. Oh, he's gonna check the rope. Make sure don't go in. You'll stop here too when it ends. All right, do you have enough? Oh, pickerel. Okay, good. Yeah, second pull in net. We're very grateful. We'll be sure to share. The Lord has blessed us. Now, Tomasi, there's way over there. Fishermen's going out also. Way back there. They're coming towards the lodge area. They're going to their fish camp way over there. Yeah, second pull of the net. This second pull net, there's lots in it. Okay. Roger's taking off a jack. Yeah, almost done. I think we're just one little pull of the net. We got the fish off. Our fishing club. Yeah, more fish. All right, we're gonna do a third pull of the net. Let's take a walk down here. So we'll bring you guys along. Hope it encourages you to fish also. Get outdoors. Oh yeah, right there, we're at the end. Oh yeah, we got a little more. We're pretty much done. Couple little fish. Here's that huge one. That's a big pickerel, eh, Mark?
Yeah, nice one, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Roger, down there. Kyle. Jill. Sam and Mike Martell down there. All right, we'll take those fish out and we'll pull it back in. All right, we're all done. We got some fish. Some fish steaks. And the net's going back in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's educational, and we just want to bring you guys along. If you never went fishing, you went today. There's a look of the lake. Way down over there. Bye for now. Mike went by. Roger. Yeah, Mark. There, we're back at the cabin. No, Mark's coming. Right there's Mark. Back at the cabin. Thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was educational. Bye for now.